Protests in Pakistan-administered Kashmir have been called off, and civil rights groups are calling for a general strike instead. That's after 3 people were killed during 5 days of protests against soaring living costs. Our correspondent Kamal Haider is in Muzaffarabad.
Life is slowly coming back to normal in the capital Muzaffarabad of Pakistan-administered Kashmir. Now, for the last 5 days, the protesters had blocked major highways. They had demands that the government should reduce the price of electricity because Kashmir provides Pakistan with thousands of megawatts of electricity as well as water. Now, the people had been demanding that the electricity tariff should be reduced because they were exorbitantly high. The people also want that the price of flour should also be subsidized.
We were protesting for our 3 main issues that were subsidy on flour, electricity and to cut down the perks and privileges of the parliamentarians. The government in Islamabad was kind enough to have agreed on our demands and allocated funds to help out the poverty-driven people of Kashmir.
Now the government went into an emergency meeting and relented on the demands of the protesters, saying that they were willing to dole out $86 million in subsidies. The people here have also demanded that the bureaucracy should be cut to size, that the privileges and perks of the bureaucracy should be reduced.
The bureaucrats and members of parliament act as parasites on our economy. They are benefiting from all the funds which are only meant for the uplift of poor people of this area, but they are always deprived of their due rights.
So those demands, of course, have now been met. These protesters are now slowly going back. But there's been a cost to all this. For the past 5 days, businesses, shops have been completely closed, traffic completely suspended. Even now, as you can see, there's no traffic on the roads here in Muzaffarabad. Also the fact that 3 people were killed by the security forces. Their funerals are now taking place in this particular city. The anger has now turned into a calm. People, of course, are now packing their belongings and going back to the rural areas from where they came. But this is indeed a message for the government in Islamabad. It has to be cognizant of the fact that the people want relief. And if they don't get their relief, they will be back on the streets. Kamal Haider, Al Jazeera, Muzaffarabad.